Hi Ray. This problem that was evident before, but I thought it went away, is still present. It seems to be only with protected pages as before. Essentially, I cleared Cloudflare, cleared my browser cache, just logged in as normal, and then started going to protected pages. And if I type in, say, Coral Bay, which is a protected page, so it's done it the first time there. Sometimes it will load fine, and then refreshing twice, the third time, then it'll happen again. So let's pick Noosa perhaps. Okay, so that was loaded in fine this time. And then if I just refresh the page, it's fine that time. Refresh again. Right, so this page, I haven't tried this page before. It's a protected page. This page seems to be okay. Okay, so what I might do is go back to a page that I know is not working right. Refresh that page. Yeah, it's working now. So it's all working now. Nope, there we go. Okay, so that page is no good. Come back to the Noosa page. And the Noosa page looks like it's going to be okay. And Noosa, as far as I know, I'm just going to pause the video and check the protection on this page. I've just checked, and the Noosa page is is under the protection of WPE member. You can see all of these protected pages. The ticks are the same for Noosa. That's to granted access. And then under general protection, if I come down to the Noosa page, it's the same as all the protected pages. So maybe that's a clue as to a potential issue, because it doesn't seem to be affected on this Noosa page, whereas the Alice Springs page, the Coral Bay page, well, there's two pages, so yeah, that's the issue. Looks like it's doing some pages but not others, so I'll leave it over to you. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.